Alright, so for this car right here, we chose to use Blue Label. It has some good solvents in it. Because of the car had tons of spills and stains from the kids, and also a lot of grease stains as well. So this is one of our cordless sprayers that we like to use. This is the TMF modified sprayer. And before we even spray down anything, you want to make sure that you pre-vacuum the car as much as possible. And here we actually using the truck mount and even the upholstery tool wands. But what you can do, you can use just any sort of vacuum if you want, whether it's a Shark, a Dyson, or whatever your vacuum of choice. And in some areas, you want to make sure that you throw down some extra pre-spray, especially when it's really greasy. And always make sure that you have some white terry cloth towels for any overspray. But behind here, the overspray was just happening on the back carpets. And that's a great thing about most TMF products. They're safe and non-toxic, they're biodegradable, and very easy to wipe up. These mats were pretty bad, so basically he's just pressure washing it just with water only after he uses some pre-spray. We're using the Mighty GT tool. This is one of the newer ones. You guys can find a link to buy this from the TMF store. And it's a continuous flow, so you can adjust the flow of how you want it to. It's pretty easy and also helps out prevent any oversprays. When you're cleaning a lot of these cushions, you always want to make sure that you overlap on the strokes, just like how Ed is doing here. But a lot of times, you'll still want to go over it at least probably 3 to 4 times. And that also helps prevent any wick backs, especially if you put down a lot of pre-spray on the areas. And as you can see, after he already pre-sprayed everything, a lot of the spots and stains have already disappeared. Makes it a lot easier for extraction. But again, that's the reason why you also want to overlap on the strokes and do some dry strokes, so that way you get it the cleanest, the driest, and you don't leave any residue whatsoever, so that way it stays cleaner longer for your customer. And the great thing is also about some of this fabric is that once it dries, it's going to even brighten up a lot more so. And as mentioned before, with the white terry cloth towel for any overspray, but it's also good to have a white terry cloth towel, while you're cleaning too, because it can also work as like almost a bonnet cleaning aspect afterwards. I like to use it more so on the more dirty areas. Yep, you know what? When they have a car seat, offer to clean the car seat as well, because we know that a lot of urine, feces, vomits can still come from the kids. And when you're done, offer the protector so that way it acts as a sealant for the next cleaning. It'd be a lot easier to clean up, or in between cleanings, it'll be a lot easier for them to pick up any spots and stains. And last but not least, it's always good to throw in an air freshener from the TMF Unchained scent.